Good evening to everyone. Hope you are safe and fine at home. Welcome to my channel, that is Nursing Gyan. Myself, Mr. Vaibhav Bosle, Assistant Professor from Baroda Institute of Medical Sciences. Today we'll discuss related to one of the most important topic again from anatomy and physiology, that is clotting factor. So let's move towards the meaning of clotting factor. What is the meaning of clotting factor? How many numbers of clotting factors are there? That we'll see in this particular session. So clotting factor and coagulations are both words are same. So it's also known as clotting is a process by which blood changes from a liquid to gel. This is important, liquid to gel, and forms a blood clot. So this forms a blood clot, and totally, as you all know, there are 13 numbers of clotting factors are there, that is 13. So different clotting factor needs different protein, and different clotting deficiency will lead to different diseases. So it is very difficult to remember all these 13 clotting factors. So we have a mnemonic which is complex only, but still will solve it in a very simple manner. First is FPTC, PUP, ABSC, HF. So first FPPC, football player tries car. ये मेरा फर्स्ट निमोनिक है, फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द निमोनिक है. सेकंड POP आपने सुना है, इधर PUP आता है, दैट इज प्लास्टर अप पेरिस. सो थर्ड आता है ABC. ये वेरी इजी है, ABC है, बीच में B और C के बीच में S आता है इधर. और लास्ट तो सबसे इजी है, दैट इज हाफ फ्राई. So half fry is my fourth submnemonic. So it's tough. See, one by one we will see part by part because it has a 4 parts. We'll see one by one कि ये कैसे हमको याद रखना है. फर्स्ट इज FPTC. FPTC में फुटबॉल प्लेयर ट्राइज कार, ये पहले 4 फैक्टर्स है. सेकंड आता है PUP. आपने सबने सुना है POP इज प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस, बट इधर PUP प्लास्टर अप पेरिस आता है. थर्ड सेक्शन इजी है बिकॉज इसमें ABC है और बीच में S डालना हमको ज़रूरी है. और फोर्थ एस्पेक्ट सिर्फ 2 है, दैट इज HF, दैट इज हाफ फ्राई. तो A 4 पार्ट्स है निमोनिक के. सो लेट्स सी डिटेल्स अबाउट द फैक्टर्स. फर्स्ट वन इज फैक्टर 1, दैट इज फाइब्रिनोजन. फाइब्रिनोजन इज आल्सो कॉल्ड एज क्लॉट deficiency which can lead to the fibrinogenesis. Second one is prothrombin. It's a prothrombin deficiency of which can also lead to the thrombophilia. Third is tissue thromboplastin. This is a third factor. And fourth factor जो भी है उसको बोलते हैं हम कैल्शियम. सो ये चारों FPTC पहले 4 फैक्टर इसमें आ जाते हैं, फर्स्ट पार्ट में आते हैं. सो कमिंग टू द सेकेंड पार्ट, दैट इज PUP प्लास्टर अप पेरिस, जैसे मैंने बोला था. फैक्टर 5 इज प्रोएक्सेलरिन और इट्स आल्सो कॉल्ड एज अ लबाइल फैक्टर. Factor 6 is absent or it's also called as unknown factor which is not assigned. Factor 7 is called as a proconvertin stable factor. इसको हम stable factor भी बोलते हैं. तो ये हुआ PUP. नेक्स्ट आते हैं ABC की तरफ. ABS स्मॉल C कैपिटल आता है. तो फैक्टर 8 एंटी हीमोफिलिक A फैक्टर, deficiency of which lead to hemophilia A. Factor 9 is also called as Christmas factor, deficiency of which can lead to hemophilia B. It's called as anti-hemophilic B factor. Factor 10 is also called as a Stewart power factor. इसको Stewart power factor बोलता है. और factor 10 deficiency भी इससे हो सकता है अगर A blood में कम है तो. Factor 11 is also called as a anti-hemophilic C factor और इसको PTA भी बोलते हैं, प्लाज्मा थ्रोम्बोप्लास्टिन एंटीसीडेंट भी बोलते हैं इसको, which can lead to deficiency of C lead to hemophilia C. तो फैक्टर 12 पे आते हैं. फैक्टर 12 HF आपको मालूम है, हाफ फ्राई हैज वन फैक्टर, 12th फैक्टर. देन फैक्टर 13 इज कॉल्ड एज फाइब्रिन स्टेबलाइजिंग फैक्टर which is related to Van Willebrand disease also. So these are the 13 factors which we can remember through a particular mnemonic. So thank you so much for watching my particular beautiful video. Please do subscribe my channel, that is Nursing Gyan, and please do watch and share my videos. Thank you so much.